Hi friends, welcome to Toy Mania. So as Ivy and Rian said, we have another Smart TVT kit today and it's a periscope. Kids, do you know what a periscope is? Okay, so it's an instrument which is normally used in submarines. You know, submarines normally go below sea, right? Inside the depth of sea. So can they see what is floating on the surface of the sea? No, they cannot see. Normally, they cannot see. Okay, because they are inside the water and the ship is on the water, on the surface of water. So they cannot see. But there is an instrument which they use to see what is there on the surface of the water, and it's called as a it's a periscope. So I will explain the principle behind it or the science behind it later on. But can you show the box of periscope that we have? Yes, it looks beautiful, right?
Yes.
And are you excited?
Yes.
And by the way, do you know what festival it is today?
No.
It's Gudi Padwa. It's the new year for Maharashtrians. So, would you like to wish our friends a happy new year?
Yes.
So, friends, wish you all a happy new year on this auspicious occasion of Gudi Padwa.
Happy New Year.
Shall we begin with the video then?
Yes.
Okay. So, kids, shall we see the contents of this box?
Yes.
Open it on this side, yeah. So we have the usual rubber bands and there are some rings and I see some screws, right? Okay, keep them aside and see what's further inside the box. Okay, so as per the photo, it looks like they are the soft cushions for the eyepiece. Eyepiece is which you put on the eye, and yeah, these are all the parts for. And see, there are these reflecting surfaces. Those are the mirrors. Very important. Do not scratch them. Okay, keep them properly, and then we'll see how to assemble them. Then you have the user manual, assembly manual. You have the Smart TVT leaflet, and you have those boards. How many boards do we have?
Three. No. One.
So there are four boards. Okay, and yeah, there is a board there. So I think this is going to be a very easy project and a very fast project, right?
Yes.
Are you excited to assemble it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin. Hi kids.
Hi.
So I see the periscope is ready. Did you enjoy making it?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know the principle on which the periscope works?
Stem.
STEM is a learning method, but the principle or the physics behind which the periscope works, it's called as the reflection of light. Okay, when light strikes a reflecting object, the light is reflected back at a certain angle. So what happens is, when the ship is on the sea, lots of light is coming from the sun, and it reflects from the ship and it spreads around. And that light, when the periscope is put out of water by the submarine, the light strikes the mirror on the top of the periscope, and then it is reflected back on the mirror which is there on the bottom part of the periscope, and then you can see the ship. Okay, when you become big, and then you will understand in more details how the reflection of light works. Okay, but now it's time for fun, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do is you have also made a ship, you have made a periscope. By the way, can you just lift up the periscope and show it straight? Yeah, facing this way, turn it around. So there is a marking, there is a indication in front. You see, it's written lowest. The periscope is at the lowest height. You can extend it, you can expand it. So there is a pusher behind which you push and you pull it up. So now it is at medium height. I think it can go still higher.
Yeah.
So you try it one more. High. This is the highest. So there are 5 levels to which you can adjust the height, right? And see the behind. We can see the behind. There is a pusher which keeps the periscope locked in place. Once you press it, it quickly releases it. What happens is, suppose you see a ship which is very near to you, and then you want to release the periscope quickly down. So you can push it down, and the periscope will come down fast. Okay, so that the ship doesn't see it, and then the ship will not know that there is a submarine down below, right? So now you guys are in a submarine and you have a periscope, and there are some ships on the surface. So let's see whether you can see. So what we'll do is, we have only one ship, okay, but you will always say that I can see one ship. So I will make fake ships, okay. So every finger that I raise up is also a ship. So you have to tell me how many ships are there, including my fingers.
Yeah, first.
Yeah, you do it. But then you have to hide below the sea level. You are in a submarine, okay? So let's start.
Wait,
Let Ivy do whatever she wants to do. Okay? Lock it in place.
yeah.
So how many ships are there?
Four.
4 ships. Ian, now can you try? How many ships are there? Now tell me, huh?
3.
3 ships. Very good. So it works properly, right?
Yes.
Great. So just bring the periscope here, and I will show the audience how it looks from near. So this is how it looks. There is a reflecting mirror on the top. Then there is another mirror on the bottom. And this is the eyepiece from where you should see inside. You look inside and you adjust the height. It's very convenient. The adjuster is in front, so you push it this way and you raise the periscope up to whatever height you need and release the button. And then when you want to lower it, if you want to lower it in steps, you can just press it and lower it slowly. So pressing it releases the lock. Slide it little bit and then move it loud. It will lock automatically. And then you can come to the lowest. Okay. So when you see from here, you can see what's there on the top. Now I am holding it slightly crooked. That's why you can see Ian and Ivy in this. See?
I can see the camera.
And I can see Ian in the camera. And I can see also Ivy in the camera.
I can see the camera.
It's difficult. Yeah, I can see her. But when I hold it straight, I can see the object which is at a height. So let's try that. Actually, there is nothing. See, Ivy has raised her hand up. Okay. And since the focus is not so great on the camera, let's try to focus it. No, it's not focusing on the mirror. That's why you are not able to see it clear. But I can see it clear from when I see it using my eyes. So kids, did you enjoy making this video?
Yes.
By now we have made 5 Smartivity kit videos. First we had the marble roller coaster, then we had the xylophone, the hydraulic crane, the pinball machine, and now the periscope. Which one was the most funny of it, or which one did you like the most?
This. And the pinball.
And the pinball machine and the periscope. Why did you like the periscope?
Because we can see.
Okay, we can see, that's why. Which one was the easiest one of all the 5?
This.
The periscope was the easiest. And which one was the hardest one to make?
Hydraulic crane.
The hydraulic crane is still the hardest to make, yes. Would you like to continue making more, using more kits, making more videos?
Yes.
Okay, so we shall try to get some more Smartivity kits during our summer vacations. Now the vacations are on, your exams are over, so you need something to engage yourself. Okay, so friends, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, share it amongst your friends. Press the like button if you like it. Click on the subscribe button down below and press the bell icon so that you get notified on new videos. Thanks and bye.